Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another deck review. This is going to be the unboxing of the Goddess Dream Oracle by Wendy Andrew. So this retails for $21.95. It is by Rockpool Publishing, and I don't know why I decided to pick this up, but it looked adorable, so I figured we'll take a chance on it. So it says, Goddess is divine feminine awakened to the greatest magic held within. She is maiden of creativity, mother of love, and crone of sacred wisdom. So the art looks pretty cute if it will focus for me. There we go. All right. So 36 cards and a guidebook. Artist and author Wendy Andrew illustrates the divine embodiments of the goddess, channeling sacred feminine energy. All right. So it's a cute little box. I'm excited. Okay. There's the guidebook. Oh, download your free Rockpool Oracle reading app. Okay. That's going to go over there. Alrighty. So there's that guidebook. Super cute. All right. Oh, there's color pages, guys. That's awesome. All right. So let's see the contents. All right. Introduction, how to use the cards. And then it looks like it goes into the meanings of it. And then, yeah, that's about it. So this was published, I feel like recently, 2019. Yeah, so a little bit ago, but not too long ago. All right, how to use the card, a single card reading, and then we got three card spread. All right, cool. And then it goes into the card meanings. So there's also an affirmation, which is great. Awesome. So let's take a look at what the cards are. My nose is going crazy. Sorry, guys. All right. The back is gorgeous. The little butterflies. Let's see if I can get the light better. No, don't fall over on me. All right. There we go. Super cute. All right, so they're a little bit bigger, but I feel like this is normal oracle size. Oh, the cards are a little thin. I don't know yet. We'll see how they shuffle. We'll see how they shuffle. All right. The art is gorgeous. It looks almost like colored pencils, like Prisma. They are sticking together a little bit. See all that? But again, that's a manufacturing thing and it is glossy. So, it's probably going to happen for a lot of us. If we get this deck, it's going to have a couple that stick together. These are just beautiful though. Love it. Just be careful when you kind of, pry them apart. You want to just kind of jiggle it a little bit, like in the corner, and kind of rub it together so you're not tearing them, you know. Just be careful. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, they're all sticking together. I really do like the art though. I really like all the diversity that I'm seeing so far. I like the different feels that each card has. Yeah, they're really sticking together. They feel good in your hand though once they get unstuck. I'm curious to see how they will shuffle for real. But let's be positive. Think positively. This is very different than a lot of my decks. I really like it. A lot of my Oracle decks. I love the artwork. It's just really cool. All right, coming to the end here. Is that Mother Maiden Crone? That is. That's awesome. All right, I think that's the last one, your path. Okay, so Beginner friendly, yes, because it's, you know, it has the keyword and then a little phrase about it. Perfect for beginners. Let's see how it shuffles here. Okay, not bad at all. Definitely not bad. You can shuffle it just fine. Once you get them unstuck, then it's totally fine. And just be careful when you unstick it. That's all I gotta say. Just because, you know, sometimes we get a little too ambitious with trying to get them unstuck all at the same time. So then mistakes happen and then cards get torn. The flexibility is great. I feel like they bounce back pretty well. And let's see how they show. Oh yeah, just fine. Just fine. I don't have a problem with the thinness of the cards. It's you know, very flexible, but it bounces back. Again, you're not going to be bending them like that too much, so it's not an issue. So yeah, definitely very nice. They glide just fine. They feel good in your hand, and one popped out. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it is. Imagination. Let your dreams take flight. So it has a number here, 15. Does that correspond with... All right, definitely not the page number, but it is labeled. There is a key in the beginning I saw. Little table of contents, yeah. So 15, imagination, and we go across and it's 38. All right, so let's go ahead and see what the book says with imagination. Let your dreams take flight. Let the mother of air, goddess of the limitless skies, carry you on owl wings to beyond farther than far to where imagination is born. This is a precious thing indeed, to be cherished and nurtured. This treasure is your gift. Tend it well and give it space to grow and flourish. If you care for it well, it will enrich your life with creativity, wonder, and joy. Allow time for daydreaming and bring your night dreams into the light by keeping a dream journal. Read fairy stories and myths. Go out at dawn and dusk. Spend time in the liminal spaces where the veils between worlds are thin. Listen for the spiraling eddies of dream time. The goddess of air may speak to you of ancient truths and future journeys. Run with hair into the magical starlit night. She is calling you to follow her into the timeless world of myth where only imagination knows the way. Carry your nighttime ventures into your daytime world, letting chance encounters with animals and birds connect you back to your inner world of dreams and imagination. Let Owl share with you her gifts of insight and intuition. She may let you see through her eyes and know the truth that lies behind the masks and facades of life. Let your true childlike nature of wonder remember itself and allow magic back into your life. All right, the affirmation is, I enrich my life through my imagination. That is beautiful. All right, for an oracle deck, this is pretty thorough, I feel like. Definitely some diversity there. The artwork is beautiful, and the guidebook is great. Full color. I feel like the affirmations are fantastic. A lot of people love using affirmations, especially if you do a single draw, one card a day to kind of meditate. Using that and having that affirmation along with that card is fantastic. So I'm set. I like this. I think it's great. For the price, it's great too. Again, a little disappointing that they stick together, but it's not the author's fault. It's the manufacturing of it. That's all that is. But again, as you see, they move freely and it's not a big issue. But other than that, the cards are fantastic. I love the art. I love the meaning behind, you know, each card that you see here. It's fantastic connection, you know, all of it. The card stock is great. The only thing is that it's glossy, and I'm not a huge fan of gloss simply because I do these videos and we get light reflections everywhere, but that's the only reason. So let me know what you guys think about these cards. Do you own them? Is it something that is in your collection? Are you excited about these? What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got a lot of new videos coming, lots of fun already on the channel. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'm excited to see. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.